Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make microwave slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notifications got from my last week's video is... Also remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in the comments down below give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys no-glue slime recipes that you can make with your microwave. So today's video is actually inspired by one of my YouTube friends, Jsh Diy. He made a recent video where he made no-glue slimes with his oven. He used his oven to make slimes, and I got really inspired by that. I wanted to try something new, but I didn't really want to copy him. So I thought I would show you guys some recipes with my microwave. I will actually leave the link to his video down below because I got so much inspiration from that. So let's go into the first recipe. Okay guys, so for this slime recipe, I'm going to show you guys how to make body wash slime. So all you guys are going to need is you're going to need your body wash. I'm using this one by Suave Essentials. And you're going to put it into your bowl or plate like this. And then you're going to get mixing it up. So I'm going to get my spoon out and you're just going to mix it around and stuff till bubbles start to form. And I'm going to do the same to the pink one over here. Okay, you just want to mix it up and stuff. And now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to put this into the microwave each for about maybe 30 seconds. And then what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to put it into the freezer for about an hour. And when it's done, I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour or two and I left these into the freezer and I let them sit out for a little bit. And I'm going to see how they turned out. So you can see they turned out pretty cool. It's still sticking to me a bit, which is a little bad, but overall these recipes actually turned out pretty cool. Same with the blue one. It's still yet a little sticky, which I feel like I should have left it into the freezer for a little bit. But the microwave did make it actually melted, and then I put it into the freezer and it kind of frozen up a little better, if that even makes sense. Sorry for making no sense right now. But these recipes turned out pretty awesome. So I guess the microwave slime kind of worked. You just need to leave it in for a little bit more and then you're really done with it. But yeah, so these ones were a big win-win, so let's move on to the next no-glue slime recipe. Okay guys, so the next no-glue slime recipe I'll be showing you guys is a peel-off face mask slime recipe. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is peel-off face mask. You guys will also need a bowl to make a slime in, a mixing tool, and last but not least you guys will need activator, which is a borax for what I'm using. So this recipe works really well if you don't have any glue in your house and you just want to make some quick and easy slime. Grab a peel-off face mask. I actually got this from Marshall's. It was $4. So a peel-off face mask basically has PVA in it, and PVA is used for stuff like glue. And so this one's basically an alternative to glue, but it's a peel-off face mask. So I'm going to put it into my bowl, and look how pretty that is. And I'm just going to be mixing it around a bit so all the glitter gets mixed in there. And now I'm going to get out my borax. I'm going to add it into there. You don't really need that much borax, so I'm just going to get dipping it in there a little bit. A little sticky. Still, it's just like an easy... Okay, I actually just finished mixing it up, and here it is. It turned into a pretty awesome slime, you can see. And it turned pretty cool. It's just a simple, easy slime recipe. It is made from glue, but it's actually the PVA in the face mask. So if you ever go to your store and you don't have glue, check out your face mask aisle, where all the face products are. And this recipe is really awesome, and it just makes a simple slime recipe. So yeah, so this is how you make no glue slime. So let's move on to the next and final no glue slime recipe. Okay guys, so before I move on to the next no glue slime recipe, I want to show you guys a really cool thing that I got sent to me. So I got sent a little slime review package from Kitty Cake Slimes, and this slime shop is actually set in Australia, and I'm sorry if you can hear my dogs in the back, they're playing with their toys. And this shop is super professional. It's from all the way from Australia, and they sent me a bunch of their slimes. They sent me this rose quartz one, and look how cute this is, and all their stuff is so professional as well. they sent me this orange crusher one, and I just love the packaging. It's super professional. And then also a rainbow ice cream, and it came with sprinkles and a little tiny charm. Super cute. And then she sent me some goodies, some candies, and little goodies, and then also some clay as well, which I'm going to put into a slime. Super adorable. And just the packaging was all professional. Here's all the goodies she sent me. She sent me a little mochi, and then like all these little like pencil stuff, bubbles. Also in here I saw that she actually sent activator, what she called it activator dust, which is so adorable. And she just sent me a bunch of adorable stuff and stickers, and it's just all so well packaged, so I really recommend buying from her shop if you want something really professional. But let's move into the slimes now. Okay, but here were all the slimes I got from Kitty Cake Slimes, and all her slimes are so professional and scented. My favorite one probably has to be Rainbow Pop Ice Cream, just because it's so fluffy and butter-like, and I love butter slimes. But all of them are such good qualities, and I love all the crunchiness from this one, and the scent on the Rose Quartz one smells amazing. So please, if you want to go get some professional slimes, go check out her shop. It is kittycakeslimes.com. So yeah, I'll leave everything linked in the description, and I'll also be posting the videos on Instagram if you want to go check her out. So let's move on to the last and final no glue slime recipe. Okay guys, the last and final no glue slime recipe I'm going to be trying out today is hand sanitizer microwave slime. This one seemed a little skeptical to me, but I'm going to try it out with you guys. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe today is hand sanitizer, and I'm using this one from Bath & Body Works. You guys will also need a bowl, and I'm just using a glass bowl for this since it's going to be going in the microwave. And last but not least, you guys need a mixing tool, and this one is actually from the last recipe, but I'm going to go clean it really quick. So, you guys know that my channel is very infamous for hand sanitizer slimes, because that's one of my most popular videos. So I wanted to try this out and see if something will happen in the microwave if I try out this. So I'm actually just going to mix it up a little bit in the bowl. And now I'm actually going to pop this into the microwave for only 30 seconds because we don't want anything happening where something might, I don't know, happen to it. So I'm going to hit 30 seconds and it's going to get warming up. And I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay, I'm going to take it out for 10 seconds and, oh my gosh, did something happen? I can't even see if it's in there anymore. I think it dried up a bit. I don't know what happened. Okay, let's see what happened. Oops, sorry about the lighting, it's really crazy right now. Okay, so nothing really happened. I kind of seemed like that would happen, nothing would really happen to the slime, but that was the last recipe. It was kind of a fail, but I know if you put this into the freezer, it'll work. Just go check out my first ever no glue hand sanitizer slime recipe, and you guys can figure out how to. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video today, and here was all the recipes I showed. So the first one was the microwave slime, then was the peel off face mask slime, then was the hand sanitizer slime. These two worked really well, but the hand sanitizer slime was kind of a fail. I feel like it could have worked better. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to go check out her amazing slime shop. All the links will be in the description down below. But yeah, bye guys, love you, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. And remember to go send stuff to my P.O. box if you want to. I'm going to be showing them in my videos more often. But bye guys, love you, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!